You're here! We missed you so much!
Welcome, my dear boys. Eat well, children.
This food is delicious. I love Grandma's cooking. Let's look around the farm. Yes! Maybe we'll find something interesting. Wait, did you hear that? Yes, it sounds like a puppy. Look! A little puppy. Oh no, he looks scared. Here, drink some water. And have some food, little guy. Look at his tail! I think he likes us now. Excuse me, is this your puppy?
No, sorry, I don't know him.
My puppy is missing! Don't cry. We'll help you.
Is your puppy white with brown ears?
Yes! That's my puppy! We found him near the farm. Really? Thank you so much! Buddy! Look how happy he is. Thank you for helping me. We're happy to help.
I heard what you did today.
We just wanted to help.
Kindness is always important.
We understand, Grandma. Today was a great day. Yes, I'll never forget it.
I'm proud of both of you.
Helping others feels good. It really does.
If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more slow English